Hello, fearless drivers. It's Kelly here with the first Drive Safer app tutorial to show you how to sign up. Before you open the app, be sure to have your valid vehicle registration, insurance, and driver's license with you. Open the Drive Safer app and press Sign Up. Enter your name, email, and phone number, create a password, and select your gender. Then read the terms and policies before pressing the Continue button. Select Safr Driver and hit Next. To upload your profile picture, press the plus icon in the middle of the screen and take a picture, or upload one from your phone's gallery. Enter your address. Select Yes if your vehicle is 2004 or newer. Press the plus icon and take a picture of your vehicle registration or upload it from your gallery. Then add a picture of insurance in the same way. Add a picture of your driver's license too. Enter your Social Security number. Read the information given in the disclosure before agreeing to it. Enter your bank account information. Read the terms of use and third-party policy and tap on the circle at the bottom to accept them. Select the gender you're comfortable riding with and press Save. We will review your application, send it for a background check, and reach out to you for an in-person interview. You'll get an email confirmation when your application is approved or rejected. You'll also get an email and SMS with links. Click on them for verification of your email address and phone number. We look forward to going places with you. Bye for now.